How to transfer money from Philippines to Indonesia on PC. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippines peso. Now, after select your currency, your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the Indonesia currency. Type it in the search. Now, select it. Now, after that, type here how much you want to transfer. For example, $10,000, $100,000, any amount that you want to transfer, and click on send. Now, after that, double check the amount that you want to transfer, and this is how much your recipient will receive. Now, click on pay with, and now select the bank e-wallet transfer, and click on add recipient. Now, after that, as you can see, you can select the e-wallet. If you select the e-wallet, click on someone else, and now provide their email. It's optional, and provide their phone name, wallet provider, as you can see, and now the recipient e-wallet number, and click on continue. And if you select the bank account, as you can see, bank details, now click on someone else and provide your email. It's optional, of course, and provide their full name, bank name, as you can see, and now account number, IDR account only providing or according to that bank name, and click on continue. And after that, your recipient will receive that money on their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Indonesia on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.